same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's that time again. It's cold outside. I'm going somewhere today and I'm gonna take you along with me. So let's go. I am walking down to where my bus is. I was gonna stand at the front and wait for my friend, but it's a little bit cold. So I'm just gonna wait inside. She knows how to get into the bus station, so I will let her make her own way. I'm gonna sit in the station and wait for a little bit. The bus is not here yet. It's not. Oh, the bus is here, but it's not ready. I guess they're still putting on stuff on the bus. If you remember, we had a afternoon tea on the bus. I did a afternoon tea tour on this same bus. So if you don't remember, go back into my catalog and you'll see it. Hi, so welcome back to the channel. Here is my friend Doreen. So Doreen, has a hi. Hi Doreen. So we're going on the bus. We're going on the tour. Remember I told you about it earlier? We're going on the tour. Our people here. That's the bus. That's the tour company. And it focus. Yeah. So we're going on a tour. Yeah, who's smoking? You smell like smoke.
I was on the train, on the district line.
It's just getting come back to worse.
And it's like, I feel like sniff when I'm thinking, I don't see anyone who likely to be doing it.
Yeah.
It was just there all the way on the
Look,
What are you trying to do? It's just
Doreen up her hand.
no way.
Have a look. She's shy. She don't want to show her hand. Let me see your hand. She's hurt her hand.
But
Wish her well, everyone. I think we're gonna get on the bus now. Hi.
Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you're single. Slow down, only you the ginger, the whole town. Slow it sometime. Go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime. Time to slow down. So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. Know that I need you, now I feel so cold. Gotta get even, still I want you close. Sometimes I need you, never forget you. But I won't call you anyway. Nobody waits, cause you won't call me anyway. I won't call you anyway. Nobody waits.
We have a olive.
I just have a tiny announcement. There was an issue with the bus that we normally use for this tour, and we are using a last minute one that is not fully equipped to warm up the pizzas. So they will be warm, but they will not be hot. So normally for your guests, it will be a different bus, and then yes, it will be a bit of a different experience. We're just sorry about that. It was just a last minute technical issue, but hopefully you still enjoy it. Thank you so much.
Yeah. We have a specially designed bus with a fitted oven and everything, but unfortunately we could not bring it. It's an electric bus, we could not bring it in after the first tour, so we had to replace it last minute, this thing. Very sorry for that.
That's okay. We're on the bus having a good time.
It's about the traffic in London.
Yeah, so this is going to be a 45 minutes tour. This is going to be like an hour and a half.
2.5 hours.
Alright, can I get a big smile, everyone? And the music also, please, downstairs. Thank you.
cause you won't call me anyway. stress you. You think say you be my controller. You say I'll be nothing without you. Slow down, now you way to make me to run wild. Slow it sometimes, no lie. Plenty women make me to run wild. Slow it sometimes. I need to slow it down, yeah. So many things we could have been. So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you're single.
Very shy. Very shy.
Go out, mountain, go your back, make a run wild. Slow it sometimes. Time to slow down. So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need you. Now I feel so cold. I gotta get even. Still I want you close. Sometimes I need you. I never forget you, but I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway.
Eating all the pizza. Yeah. Drank all the drink. I still have a drink left. Eating the pizza. The tour is still going on. We're still on the bus. And it's almost coming to a close. Did you have a good time, Doreen?
I had a great time.
She had a great time. Yeah, I had a wonderful time. Are we gonna go now? So the tour is almost over. We're finished. We've eaten the pizza. Gin and tonic, I think it is. And we're getting ready to get off this bus. Whatever you do, I hope you have a great evening. And I'll see you guys on Saturday. So take care. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay guys, so we finished the tour and we're going home. Me and my bestie, we're going home because the tour is completed and now we're going home. At the moment we're location R, we're in Victoria, going home. So you definitely see. Let me turn the camera around and let me show you what's happening. Hello, have a good night. I'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Bye. See you next time.
Good night.
Good night. Bye. So that's the tour organizer. How did she get there so quick? How did she? Oh my God! Oh, you've been there. Okay, so we can't process the reading on the far floor. As I said before, let me show you where. Let me turn the camera on and show you where we are. Look at she running from some water. Hello. Hi, just got home. You know, today I went to the pizza on the bus, pizza and beer on the bus today. So it was okay. You know, it wasn't like 100% nice, but it was okay. The pizza came, it was a lovely pizza. They gave me like tomato and something pizza, but I was like, no, that's not what I ordered. So they brought it back and gave me my pepperoni pizza. Even that was what I ordered anyway, but I just rolled with it because it's pepperoni on it. And then the drinks was a choice of gin and tonic or beer or prosecco. So I had a gin and tonic and my bestie had a gin and tonic as well, and we had our pizza. It was so nice. The pizza wasn't all that hot, it was a bit cold, but it was okay. You know, it was okay. And then we listened to some music. The bus went around London and it was okay. It wasn't like, you know, but it was okay. I had a good time. It was a nice chill 90 minutes. Yeah, it was okay. Anyway, have a great evening and I'll see you soon. Have a great evening and I'll see you soon. Have a great evening and I'll see you soon.
so many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues.